Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add game to your wishlist on Steam. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Steam has become a household name for gamers, and its wishlist feature is a key part of the user's experience. A Steam wishlist is a collection of games that a user is interested in buying or playing in the future. It's a handy way to keep track of all the exciting titles you might not be ready to purchase immediately. So how to do it? To add game to your wishlist on Steam? It's very simple. First of all, of course, you have to open our Steam. Now you can just move your cursor to the game that you want to add to your wish list. For the example, I want to add this game. Wait, I will search for the game that I want to add to my wish list. For example, I want to add this game. You can just move your cursor like this. There's like three dots on the up right corner on the game. There is an option add to your wish list. You can just select on that. So now this game is on your wish list. You can also add more than one game. For example, I want to add this one too. You can just do the same thing. Add to your wish list. I want to add this game too. Now, where you can find your wishlist game, so you can move your cursor to store until there's like pop-up option appear. There is an option wishlist. You can select on that. So here's your wishlist game on your Steam. It's very simple, right? So that is how to add game to your wishlist on Steam. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!